Hello YouTube. We can do like the bike check, the bike being right. It's a GT proper form. The weather is nice today. Well, let's see here. Bike is pretty good. 1988 GT Pro Performer Freestyle. The bars, the new ones, GT. The new ones, GT mullet. Fork, it's a Odyssey. I did the adaptation here at the headset. A lot of guys know that. Gyro, the old one. Brakes, Dicomp FS 9090. Yeah. Well, I got with a friend, Opie. Brake pads, it's the Pork Chop BMX. Pegs, regular one plastic. I think it's a KT. The tires is a Max 1.75. Yeah. I put 100 psi too. The hub, it's a ACS. Both is a ACS. Is a cassette. And then the spokes, tie spokes, get a little bit lighter for do the tricks. Brake levers, Odyssey. This one's lavender. This one's different color. We have a hit Odyssey cables too for the gyro. What else do we have? We got more here. Sprocket GT, the new ones. Crank Harrow, the new ones too. Pedals, Rent. It might be Shadow too, is it Rent? Let's do like a Miami hop here. And here we have the cassette ACS tie spokes. Pegs, Mongoose, Walmart, nothing. Brake the same, the old style Dicom FS 990. It's something like that. What else? Seat, power light. Got with my friend. Oh, now he has a spark. Regular seat bolts, a little curve here. What else? Great bike, great bike. Here in the bottle is still like a pink cable here. It's nice. Oh, forgot the one thing. It's the back tire. Toyota power band 1.85, 100 psi too. No mercy. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I have another bike too. Soon I'm gonna post, and let's go ride a little bit. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe too, okay? I'll see you at the channel.